All right, and for the last video for today, we're going to go over our independent practice outline. And so what this is doing is really just preparing you for the SCR that you're going to officially write tomorrow. So remember, our prompt is, why would formerly colonized nations want to resist the control of European nations? You have already answered that question in question 12 and question 9 for both documents 1 and 2. If you'll see, document 1 is all in green, okay? Document 2 is in yellow. So when you come down here, reason 1, answer from number 9, you can literally copy and paste this if you want. So the way you would do that is that you select on your answer here, you highlight it, you can go to edit, copy, right? And then come down here, edit, paste, and it will take the exact same words that were up above and put them in there. So you're going to take that, so answer from number 9, okay, and then this supporting evidence here is actually your question from number 10 that you have already highlighted in the document. So you're going to take that highlighted text evidence and you're going to plug it in here, right there. You're going to do the exact same thing for document 2, which is in the yellow. So remember, green is document 1, yellow is document 2. For your mastery check today, all you need to do is submit this entire thing, right? So really look at that independent practice as more of your mastery check, and it's going to help you get ready for Wednesday's module as well.